some of the competency for in the VUCA world. Now, if you look at over the last 10 years, we have seen a tremendous shift in this, what we call the competency, next gen leadership competency. At CEE, we have developed this model called the High Performance Organization Model, HPO, which look at the 5 pillars of competency, including developing emotional and social intelligence, developing cognitive readiness and critical thinking competency, developing effective teams through a framework called SCORE, which is the topic by itself, one of our webinars which we're going to introduce in the coming months. And of course, how do you negotiate and effectively with partners, with the government stakeholders? And lastly, how do you develop the cross-cultural diversity, cross-cultural communication to be able to lead in this VUCA world? So together, we call this the result-based leadership. It's a framework which would allow leaders to develop the competency for the future, what we call the next gen